One of the first questions I ask people if they're coming in for a divorce, whether they're filing or they've received papers, is, are you sure this is what you want? Have you explored other options? Have you been to marriage counseling? I could think of at least half a dozen couples reconcile who started out in hotly litigated cases. But you start recognizing signs that people aren't done with each other. Sometimes they've had a tragedy in their lives, sometimes the loss of a child, sometimes a severe illness. Sometimes they've had career failures and financial problems, and frankly, it's derailed people. My goal is to keep families together if possible, or if not, to help them uncouple, I guess is the new term, in a way that is the least distracting for them and the least uncomfortable for them and least disruptive to their lifestyle. There's a Florida rule of procedure that says children aren't supposed to go to court, but I actually have an opinion that I rarely, if ever, meet a child in a divorce case. I don't think they belong in the lawyer's office. If clients say they want to bring their child, I'll ask them not to. I think they should be isolated from the process as much as possible because children are smart. They're picking up on cues. They know their lives are changing and ways to address issues that come up. If a child raises an issue with them, how do they handle what's going on with your divorce? Or I hear this at mom's or dad's house. I'll spend time with the client, or I'll consult with someone who will assist me with that client. How do you respond appropriately to de-escalate those sorts of questions? Someone said to me recently that children of divorce often don't have pictures in their mind of when their parents were happy together, particularly parents divorced when the children are young. The kids are left without a lasting image of mom and dad, whether it's when they were first married or when the child was born, and they don't have those things. And I think even post-divorce, having couples, and this happens through the collaborative process quite a bit, seeing a couple being able to carry on as friends is reassuring to children that the parents don't hate each other because of me, or that my parents still care about one another, it's just a different type of caring. And I think that's very helpful.